Interesting facts on birds. Which bird lay the largest eggs? Emu. Song thrush. Hummingbird. Ostrich. Answer, ostrich. Explanation. Emu eggs are large but not the largest. Song thrush lay very small eggs. Hummingbird lay the smallest eggs of any bird. Ostrich eggs can weight up to 4 pounds 1.9 kilograms. What is the name for the journey made by many birds between their summer and winter homes? Molting. Predation. Nesting. Migration. Answer, migration. Explanation. Molting is when birds shed their feathers. Predation is the hunting and killing of other birds or animals. Nesting is when birds build nests to lay their eggs in. Migration, birds can fly thousands of miles between their winter and summer homes. What kind of bird has a huge yellow bill? Toucans. Puffins. Ibises. Herons. Answer, toucans. Explanation. Toucans use their big bills to reach a fruit. Puffins have small colorful bills. Ibises have small curved bills. Herons have long straight bills. What are the baby swans called? Cygnets. Calves. Pups. Joeys. Answer, cygnets. Explanation. Cygnets, baby swans are called cygnets. Calves are baby cows or whales. Pups are baby seals. Joeys are baby kangaroos. Which of the birds is not a bird of prey? Eagle. Parrots. Vulture. Osprey. Answer, parrot. Explanation. Eagle hunts and eats meat, so they are birds of prey. Parrots eat fruit and nuts. Vulture hunts and eats meat, so they are birds of prey. Osprey hunts and eats meat, so they are birds of prey. Which of these is not a flightless bird? Kiwis. Rheas. Owls. Penguins. Answer, owl. Explanation. Kiwis cannot fly. Rheas cannot fly. Owls are good flyers and can fly with hardly any sound. Penguins cannot fly. Which type of bird catch fish in its throat pouch? Flamingo. Kingfisher. Pelicans. Herons. Answer, pelicans. Explanation. Flamingo eats plankton rather than fish. Kingfisher do not have throat pouches. Pelicans have huge throat pouch to catch fish in. Herons do not have throat pouches. What is the largest breed of penguin? Emperor. Jack. king. Gentoo. Answer, emperor. Explanation. Emperor penguins are up to 45 in, 115 centimeters, tall. Jack, there is no such thing as Jack penguin. King penguins are the second largest penguins. Gentoo penguins are the third largest penguins. Which of these body parts do bird not have? Spines, brains, toes, teeth. Answer, teeth. Explanation. Spines, birds have spines. Brains, birds have brains. Toes, birds have toes. Teeth, birds have beak instead of teeth. What is the only type of bird that can fly backward? Ostrich, eagles, hummingbird, chickens. Answer, hummingbird. Explanation. Ostrich cannot fly. Eagles are strong flyers but cannot fly backward. Hummingbird can fly backward or even upside down. Chickens cannot fly backward.